Look what I have ordered from Aliexpress and cost me $28. And what is it? It's an electric screwdriver set, precision power tool kit, rechargeable wireless mini small bits for mobile cell computer repair. It says that it's USB intelligent electric screwdriver, 600 mAh built-in battery, all copper powerful motor, high strength batch head and Type-C quick charge interface. And I got it! No bubbles. It's a big package. I have ordered orange. Nice package. Wow. Everything is organized. I like it. What it says in description: 600 mAh built-in battery, charging time 90 minutes, duration 20 minutes, capacity 600. High quality lithium battery. Okay, positive and negative switch at will. The hand is one, of course. Anti-slip strong magnetic absorber. And let's find the torque. And here it is, electric torque from 3 to 3.5 kilogram per centimeter. Charging interface Type-C. Handle material aluminum alloy. Weight of the package is 310 grams. It comes in this very cool design of case, so you can keep your electric screwdriver, the instruction manual, the short USB to Type-C charging cable. Alright, and here it is, the guide. Whoa. Electric screwdriver, USB battery 3.7 volts, Type-C, and nice LED effect showing that the rotating is this way and this is backwards. Alright, and take a look how many bits you get. So you will get 35 different bits. How cool is that? Beside the electric screwdriver, 35 extra bits. And here we have a secret compartment with some special plastic PVC tools for opening phones, for repairing smartphones, and these are nice. Alright, and I think this is a magnet. Let's try it. Yep. But what it's for? Oh, it says demagnetizer and magnetizer. Oh, so you can magnetize the bit like this or this. Nice future. I like it. Let's try one. Okay, it have a magnet. Nice, can you see it? And it's like a pen. Using my USB doctor USB meter, we're gonna find out with how much milliamperes is charging the screwdriver. 340 milliamps. 340 milliamps. Alright, can you work while charging? Yes. Great. Also, I'm gonna wait so you can see how much 50 grams. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's ideal. 50 grams. Alright. All screwdriver bits are marked with the special sign. Can you see that? And that is alright. I'm gonna use this one. And let's test it now on this smartphone. Good. Put it back. It's strong. Alright, let's try this one. Okay, and right now it's magnetized. Let's demagnetize. Where it says. Still work. Yep. The holes are for that, or let's try this way. Still work. This way. Nope. This doesn't work. The magnetizer, demagnetizer don't work. Or I'm not doing it right. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. Let's put it back. Come on, man. Oh, it's super strong. Let's try this one. Okay. Still magnetized. Great. Come on, man. Alright. Oh, I figure out. When you pull out from the screwdriver, the bit is not magnetized. Look. But because of the tiny magnet inside the screwdriver, they attract the screws. Okay. I like those LED effects showing that the site of spinning. Okay. On the package are described all bits inside the set. Here are they. And the model is TKS001. Patented. Pro Touch multi-in-one toolset. So for the money, this electric wireless screwdriver is awesome. You get special plastic tools for opening smartphone, magnetizer, demagnetizer. I didn't know is it work properly. And you got 38 bits, different bits, and it's a nice tool. I like it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. That was all for today's video. See ya!